Alright, so for this week's video, you guys asked me how I sleep in my hair. And I have... asked me how I sleep in my hair. And I do a few things. I want to get something called a puff cuff, but I gotta order that. So, I will either pineapple my hair. Oh. And then try and get it as far up here as possible. As high up as you can go. And you just flip it once. And keep the little hairs out here. And then I'll just sleep like that on my silk pillowcase. I'll either sleep on my hair like that. But on my fresh wash days, which I did co-wash today, but my hair didn't come out that good. My mom is not happy with me saying that because she thinks my hair is pretty all the time. But you know when you know you need moisture? She's shaking her head. But I know I need moisture. So, on my wash day, let's just say today was a good hair day, which it's not, I will, follow me, flip my head over, gather it like I'm going to put it in a pineapple or a ponytail, put it in the middle of a silk scarf, and just plop my head down, and then I take it from the back and wrap it in the back of my head, and then I take the front and wrap it here, and then I tie it in the back, if I can get in there. And I can't, okay, here we go. And then I will sleep like that. Why are you smiling like that?
Are you going to delete this part? Okay.
Alright, so I'll go to bed just like this, still with my silk pillowcase. And I do both ways because I toss and turn a million times at night. So this just helps kind of keep my hair in one place. So basically it's pretty simple. I've tried doing the whole dampening your hair and putting leave-in conditioner in it, but that doesn't work for my hair because I just wake up and it's a mess. Are you just laughing at me? Why?
Because I have nothing else to do.
Come on!
I feel like I'm shaking.
I'm really vulnerable here.
Vulnerable.
But yeah, that's basically how I do my hair. Pretty simple. You're gonna laugh again. I see it in your eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see any other videos, just let me know. Just my hair, how I put it up at night.
Am I getting paid for this?
No.
I work so hard.
No, you don't.
Okay.